Hi there. How can you go about making good amount of money in Nairobi city? Guys, Nairobi is a city of opportunities, but also it is a concrete jungle. And I'm saying so because a good number of people in the city are actually living day at a time because money is scarce. But also in the same city, we have people who are making insane amount of money. In other words, balling by the day, because even some are making hundreds of thousands each and every day. In the same city, guys, we are talking about people who have high level of education, others don't have education, and all of them need to survive. In the same city, guys, we are talking about people who are employed, others have been tamarking for quite some time, and regardless, all of them need to survive in the city. That's why I'm making this video to share with you how best you can make good amount of money in the city of Nairobi. Watch the entire of this video for you to learn about and more so start practicing the essentials which are going to assist you make money wherever you are. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. And by the way, guys, regardless where someone lives in Nairobi, regardless what they do, the fact is that you need money for you to lead a good life. Guys, everyone out here desires to lead a good life. And for that, you need money. And by the way, there is peace of mind, for example, you living, you sleeping, knowing very well you can afford food without any hesitation. You can afford whichever amount of rent that's sorted out there without any pressure. You can afford, for example, to pay school fees for your children without any qualms. Guys, it is a good feeling. And that's why these 5 tips I'm about to share with you are very, very essential, more so if you're living in Nairobi. If you love this kind of videos I make around personal finance, investing, showing you different places, also you could consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe because I'm out here giving you these awesome videos each and every day. Having said that, the very first thing you need to have in mind and you need to practice all the time is that always build value networks. Connections go a long way in assisting you strike deals in this city of ours. Guys, take your time, purpose to build good networks, to build connections over time. And I'm saying so because, as I've said, connections go a long way in assisting you get to the money. What do I mean? Let me give you an example. You might, for example, be my friend, okay? You have your own series of businesses out there. You know other people out there who are looking for people, for example, to supply given products and so forth. Guys, most of the times, big money kind of engagements, big money tenders, big money deals are actually struck between friends, because I could be sitting there, for example, having the money, or even so, I know where to get money. Of course, we're going to jump on this opportunity for us to be able to make more money. So ensure you build networks, more so those value networks, which are going to assist you work towards making money in this city of ours. And by the way, it is through connections that big amounts of money are made. And then the second thing you can do, more so in case you are struggling to survive in the city, even if you have a job, look for additional jobs, guys. You might, for example, get a part-time kind of job. And I'm saying so because for most people out there, they think all the jobs are full-time. There are jobs out there, like for example, relating to accounting, auditing, more so for small companies, which could be done on a part-time basis. Maybe you are required to come in maybe twice a week to assist with bookkeeping, to assist with auditing, because we are talking about small businesses. If you have the necessary skills, look for this kind of jobs and be sure also you can be able to make money. Of course, for these, you won't make big monies right away, but through these opportunities, you're going to be able to build networks. And secondly, the little amount of money you are making over time could add to become good amount of money in the grand scheme of time, because employing compounding over time, you can be able to have this money become huge amount of money, more so in case you are investing it in places like, for example, the stock market, you name it. And then the third thing you need to do is that don't be choosy. As long as any job is legal, you have the ability to do it, you have the desire, you have the time. Don't choose the job you want to do. And I'm saying so because, let me give you an example, guys. Maybe you could be educated, yes. You even have your master's degree or even PhD. Guys, in case an opportunity comes your way, for example, an opportunity around garbage collection for which you're going to be able to make insane amounts of money, don't choose any particular job that's coming along your way. It's either do it or even so get poke and do it and then be able to make a profit. It is as simple as that, because you never know where your nyota is going to come from. You never know where your breakthrough is going to come from. So don't be too choosy with regards to what you can possibly do. If an opportunity comes your way, and even so it is a legal opportunity, and it is something which you can do, or even so you can organize a team to do, don't be choosy, jump on it and be sure you can be able to make insane amounts of money of that particular opportunity too. And I'm saying so because sometimes back, I was looking at some interview on a local TV station, and one of the richest people in the Kenya, Wanjigi, was talking about him having begun with garbage collection. That tells you, start where you have to start as long as there is an opportunity. And then the fourth advice which I have for you, more so when it comes to possibly making money in this city, is that be an early entrant at any opportunity. Early birds catch the worm. It's as simple as that. If there is an investment opportunity which is not a scam, in other words, which doesn't have the red flags of scams out there, and it is legal, guys, try a level best to be an early entrant, because if you get in early, chances are you're gonna be up there in the network, and that's gonna mean you're gonna be able to make insane amounts of money, and even so, you're gonna have a good number of people who are gonna be trusting you to assist them also get into that space. In essence, you're gonna build a good value network beyond just making money. And then lastly, and actually I want to emphasize on this, is that, guys, avoid any underdealings. In other words, avoid illegal activities. Also, in the same beautiful city we live in, there could be some illegal activities which some people could be doing for them to make money. Avoid illegal activities. Don't get into those, because yes, you're gonna have the allure of possibly making money, more so fast money, but also your living is gonna be fast, because you're gonna end up dying anytime. That is not a life worth living. Seek to do illegal things. Don't seek to do any illegal things out there. Rather, go for only legal undertakings, and hopefully over time you're gonna be able to make money and also build a value network. Cheers, guys. I hope you've learned a thing or two about how best you can go about making money in the city of Nairobi, or even so in any city out there. Cheers, and I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time.